What I am making today is given by Kendriya Vidyalaya Kolkata as holiday homework to class 3. It is a collage of favorite food items. So I took this kind of base paper so that it looks a bit like a table. I took out the prints of favorite food items and cut them. Now to make a plate, I take a black paper and cut it round. Now time to stick it on the base. Now I will attach all the food items with glue. These are names of food items: paneer makhni, aloo paratha, ice cream, mango, chop, lassi, dosa and idli, sittabhog, biryani, lychee and fuchka. For making fork and spoon, I have drawn them on mound board and cut them out.